Hi students, I'm looking at You've Got a Friend, the James Taylor version, and the chords we've been looking at, and we've been taking it line by line, and I've suggested the strum. So it's E minor, four strums of E minor. When you're down and trouble, and that's a B7th. Then back to E minor for 2 strums, and then a B7th, and then an E minor 7, which is just 1 finger. So that line again, and let me, just to keep myself honest, 1, 2, 3. When you're down and trouble, B7th, and you need a helping hand. Now the next chord is A minor 7th. Now A minor 7 is like an A minor minus the ring finger. And you have that, and then the next chord is a D7 suspension. So you have this chord, A minor, move that finger, the second finger over, and then add the, it's not going to resolve, it's not going to resolve, it's an unresolved B7th suspension. So, think of A minor 7, D7 suspension, and then while you have your first finger here, keep it here, because then use these fingers to make a G chord, and at first it's a G, so let's look at that. So far we have E minor, B7, E, B7, E minor 7, A minor, D7 suspend, and then a G. Let's look at that so you see what I'm talking about. So there's the E minor B7th, and then 2 beats of E minor, 2 beats of E7th, and then E minor 7th is just 1 finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. Now you've got some new chords coming up the 3rd line, and we did A minor 7th, which is an A minor without the ring finger, and nothing is going right. And then this, close your eyes, and B7th again. Now, F sharp minor 7th. If this E string has a finger down on it on the 2nd fret, then this E string can also. And so I do this instead of what they show. And I think a student said it actually doesn't sound bad. So I put my ring finger down across the first 4 strings on the 2nd fret, and then I move my kind of the longest finger is the 2nd finger to the 2nd fret of the E, and the A is supposed to be open. So you have that chord. B7th we know, and let's go back and look at that, what it is. F sharp to B seventh. Oh, E minor, B seventh, E minor, and then E seventh, that one finger. And so we know all of these chords. Now in time from the top, 1, 2, 3. When you're down and troubled and you need a helping hand, and nothing, oh, nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten even your darkest night. Now I play the final D suspension in D7 on You Just Call Out My Name. I use that, I do the suspension and I change the rhythm. You just call, and that way. Now the B minor 7, I call that the Isn't She Lovely chord. B minor 7 is the every other string. Here it is, a second row, second from the left. It's the odd strings on the second fret, 1, 3, and 5, and it's played 1, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, practice this much, and you're halfway there. I'll see you later.